Chaos. We have all heard the term unpredictable, wild, and seemingly without order. But what if I told you that hidden beneath the surface of chaotic systems there is symmetry? And not just any symmetry, patterns so subtle they can reveal when chaos is about to turn into order. In our recent research published in the journal Dynamics with undergraduate student Ben Novak, we explored two-dimensional chaotic iterative maps, mathematical models that can mimic everything from motion of planets to the flicker of a laser. The question was simple: can we detect hidden structures in chaos and even predict when the system is about to change its behavior? We started with the Hanon map, a classic system of chaos theory. By varying its control parameters, we can watch it switch between orders and chaos. But rather than just plotting these changes, we used something different. We used ordinal patterns. Think of ordinal patterns as a way of translating the system's motion behavior into a sequence of words, based purely on the order in which numbers appear, just comparing the values of consecutive events. We can then study, for example, the probabilities of these words as a way to analyze the language of the dynamical system that we want to understand. From these, we calculated three key complexity quantifiers: permutation entropy, which is a measure of overall unpredictability; Fisher information, which picks up fine local changes; and torus, a new way of spotting hidden temporal symmetries that I described earlier in this video. Torus, short for temporal and reversible dynamical symmetries, can detect whether the system's motion is reversible, it is rotationally symmetric, or is balanced in other subtle ways. And here's the exciting part: when one of these symmetry measures breaks, it can signal that chaos is about to give way to regular motion before it actually happens. In fact, we found that the difference between two of these symmetries, T alpha and T beta, reliably acts as a precursor for chaos to regular transitions. This means we can forecast sudden dynamical shifts, which is crucial in fields like climate science, engineering, and even neuroscience. When we compare different two-dimensional maps, the Hanon, the Burger, the Lossy maps, the complexity measure didn't just distinguish the behaviors, they revealed shared structures. It's like discovering that three completely different languages share parts of the same alphabet. With nothing more than the relative order of values in a time series, without needing to know the underlying equations, these methods can even pick up famous features like strange attractors or patterns similar to the Koopman modes. That makes this approach perfect for experimental data where the equations might be unknown and the measurements are noisy. We tested the technique on the standard map too, capturing how it evolves from regularity to complete chaos. This figure shows how the standard map's pattern in the Fisher permutation entropy plane changes as the nonlinearity k increases, clearly illustrating regular motion breaking apart and chaos spreading through the system. Again, the fingerprints in our complexity measures told the whole story: smooth symmetries breaking apart, islands of regularity shrinking, until chaos ruled the whole space. So what did we learn? Even in the heart of chaos, symmetry lives, and by decoding it, we can classify families of chaos, compare entirely different systems, and even anticipate dramatic changes in their behavior. The beauty is, all you need is the data itself. This work opens new doors for analyzing complex systems from physics and engineering to biology. Because if there is one thing chaos has taught us, it's that there is always more to the story than meets the eye. Thanks for watching, and may science be with you.